You're looking gorgeous, eh?
Thank you.
That's always, you always look good. Oh. You're best friend, Ali.
That's fine.
You want to that? Last time when we were finishing, I mean, I interrupt no pain.
Oh, yeah,
They were like, but it's like, okay, it's a mal friend. What's going on?
she was my friend.
She was.
Past it. Not anymore.
Okay.
You know, this girl used to be my friend. Not friend long like now across me. Like we don't have to get from my sister from the same community. Like I was doing everything for her. Coming, she's just ungrateful.
Yeah?
I'm better, yeah.
Wow.
Because in the coma, I can't think I did. Even in farmer team, no problem doing a bit better.
Wow. No, that's not a friend.
I don't think I had to introduce to my dad. And farmer was doing everything for her.
Really?
But saying, I can't think I'm farmer. Even to my own mom, I can't think I am. Like, in the night, I'm he is not doing that.
I can see.
So,
Coming mandinka so it seems like it's like Betrayal. Yeah, but it's like because the reason now for like get a fan GB make it all boy for Pablo told him on down but don't go over for Pablo told him by the fan you know what you have done for him according to you. You know, and I really trust you because I'm talking about Betrayal, you know. They have always been, you know, so kind, so good, you know. But it all fair no, it's a come and get a friend anymore. Ex-friend, very good. I try to see if I avoid, you know. I man can more can because I mean for the moment I'm going to farm a whole day, you know. So say it for one, I'm getting the wool I'll come to it.
I connection or country between here.
So you see. So what I need to find a man in a castle, well, I'm not always what I'm on careful go like Pabi, you know, no matter what, your dad will remain your dad. So meaning she also contribute to the reason me and the Pabi for my day. I don't know what's wrong with girls of nowadays, you know. How can it ever suffer? Can you friend no hunger? I balance to a way near parents will introduce pro data market because come here you see her as your family. Come here back in your sister. So and she's becoming like this. They are most already. You know, but you keep being you. Keep being you. You can't keep being you. Yeah, when you're lame, I'm see more trying. The line is very, very nice. Yeah.
Where are your parents?
Wow. That's a great question. Well, Meron in Pabi Beba Uplet. Beba up all the year, but like, coming like I don't like to be with family, to stay with family. It doesn't necessarily mean that like coming family are not there for me and other stuff like that. My brother is doing everything for us, like. But when I decided to stand alone, yeah, I have brothers. Me and uncle, they are doing everything for the family, so I only have to take care of myself. So there's no much load on me, you know. Though my family could have support me and other stuff like that, but I see that it's gonna make me lazy. Yeah, so I want to make my own money. If I down for sense so not because I'm got the family so that or something like that. You know?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so that's the thing, you know. So another thing, you know, come in after now, take out the country. So let me make this thing. Let me bring this topic again. How do you see what like it ain't anything, you're not pulling that.
We're friends.
No, but you know that I wanted more.
Talking about this one.
Mom, always named because I mean
The same thing to use here. Like relationship is the last thing you for family. I'm really for that.
yeah, but like commented after I mean they were not in for like any jokes. In fear and other stuff like that, therefore I in for that. Because therefore I was once married. But because of nothing
like I want to meet a long back. So I'm trying I'm not fucking long.
No, it's a malapit no.
Of course.
In a sense that from ako ka na say. Kung na say na tabiro ka other stuff like that. No, but like nila pa kalong yan board lang.
But yalo na like more like finti ka na. we are getting used to each other.
That's true.
Yeah, so my friendship name built and forget about this relationship.
So friendship is already there. Yeah, I see you as somebody who is also there to me and other stuff like that, not just friend.
Yeah, you might see me as that. Because of friendship, yeah.
Fine.
Friends and thing, and you know what I'm focus
Friendship. Come on, so when is that friendship going to last?
They haven't really explained it.
Nyakas mo lang kaya po wala po kayo po. Wala po family na yun. No, it's not hard. It's not hard. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know when this friendship is gonna last. Because something happened and I wanted more.
Until like, I just want you to be natural.
Natural, natural.
Like coming cool bita kanya mo. Combat track and kilo. Mga Africa understandable. Hindi ko rosi ka na damandin. So cool ka tanya man yata like I am feeble. Mga Africa understandable like yata nila kuya nyaba.
Okay, come like nakuha niya ako from that. So kaya pa sense and then nakuha niya.
No, nothing like that. We are friends.
Yeah.
Mama, you are talking about relationship, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to come. So be a cross because I don't want to rush into any relationship. But if you can do relationship and not kill caffeine, you can I have to sit back and watch. Man, if you can understand it. And I can't cross it. So that is what I'm currently doing. You have to look it we go in for relationship. Never lucky do I go back.
Wow.
Yes, I have to go back to the United States because maybe next week I'm going to
Why? Meron ka na?
Yeah, next week I'm going to come.
Wow.
So near because I said not life in Gambia here, it doesn't make any sense.
Come on.
I have no good friend.
Yeah, that's
no good father.
What? No. Come on. What do you mean you don't have a father?
I only have a mother.
No.
No. Funny because it is science and we are just meeting, so I don't know.
Yeah, that sounds good, but like kind of cool. Like you got no good friend. That's fine.
I don't have any good friend. I don't have any good father.
Your father will, keep on being your father whether you like it or not.
But that doesn't change the fact that he is not good.
No. You don't have to say that.
It doesn't change the fact that he is not good.
Right. Okay. Now come to think of it. So I need to look at the food. I wouldn't have a kuru or somebody to my life. The reason you don't have a good father.
Maybe you know what you want for him.
I think that's what we should
say. Anything concerning my dad, I don't want to talk about it. Because nanka dia ningala ko dia mtakampa.
Okay, nakampa.
Nga alat entro nga ba nga kindos.
No, listen.
Nga ba nga sa niya alat
Listen. Na dia mo kana ko yang ko. Wondo ka sang madi mo man. Ela beta ya bo ni la pera so laba. No, even your dad because when you were narrating to me like ela friend no kada nyame ko your mother and your dad. So now it's time they come for the amo. Like when you ela mother and your dad, they were supporting your friend. That's what he told me. So I me understand it. When they are going on, they mean realize so what I tell our friend. After so let expert what I'm problem with it. Yeah, what I'm problem with it because look at.
Problem in it.
Wow.
Ini kan dah kita phone wala ini. Sampai lagi. Sampai dah lagi.
Aku boleh kata, fanya mantaran dia.
So kamu dah itu kan dah ini kan dah kita Sofia. Sofia ni ndari tambi biro Sofia. Iman tan kid ni wala fanya ngora banyak pulba.
Pablo, I'm not here to answer to your this immature question. Nah, ni bang, ya sama family rata you. Whatever you think, that's what's going on. Mina kita? Whatever.
Ide.
Mudi ha.
Ika na join ni na Sofia ide.
Kita man fenje polo.
Foi que sisi.
Pablo man fenje polo. Do man dingo lagi. Pinyin ko la ni no man. Ita man fenje polo. Pablo alon ko tebulo ola ton. O tayo man ta nakabatay no batay. Now is your turn. Ini kasi yan ka.
Boy. Sofia, uli na.
Ha. Si comedian.
Sofia, uli na.
Yan na.
Sofia, enggak jam itu le.
Yang orang tadi irritate.
Ni na keta ni. Ni na keta. Ni na minga ni moñi nga ndike dal be new jande ni ko ni to kala.
Astagfirullah.
Ndike dal new jande ngay ñal new. So ina ni to kala. So ni man sa problem.
Pablo, neno dapat to know that's your business. Ndahan wo tam tele sam. Mine.
Ide minga dala ito kala ni to ngolen.
Ngaminte.
Ide minga ito kala ni. Ito ni. Ikan dah hot no understand. Ngal ni sa hot no.
Ito mga soto, broke ass nigga like you. Ito mga soto, this nigga is nigga man broke. He's not broke like you, so. Ito mga soto nga kita.
Ni mo diam le ke man kende ang.
Ito are you not even ashamed of yourself? Ito lo ka po naming Kenya ta kala ni. And you are saying that you full chest. Pablo ito yanda ko so. Kaya ka na nga nala ko. Ito yanda kami ke muso okay. Ika na lo yenda mo.
Ito mo ko du kudia mo kende. Sabi ikan to kule. Ito yung kula. Hindi ka no dia, ni ko no man dia.
Ni.
Wala kalo dia wala.
Pablo betul na sa ko sa telan. Asal telan. Ya itu ko sa ni nga sa man confuse.
Sa ikan to bisa.
Kita disrespect. You never see anything. Yalo, wait, yalo time ko get disrespect. What run be disrespect ko? Sai le waja. Pablo yi fam nim pare.
Ite ma ngi understand ko ni ko. Ma ya bro. Yalla me mu ida boy ko.
Man kela bro kana fa bro de. Alman tan kala kela bro.
Ndewot ni ko ni ngesi yokun. Sai bila ko
Mala ko ni ati.
Apa ni ko.
Amalo bi.
Ya du je mbay mas yokun.
Nya kas ni.
Apa ni ko ni ngesi yokun. Iki baba mo dum so ni ko rek baba mo bora baba.
Sai tadu. Itadu. Ah. Ile you were frustrated nyame. Mala bi nyana tan de ko xam be le rite.
Ito phone ito ni Pablo.
Aju be me mandinka.
Come on.
And he was doing anyhow with full chest.
Seriously? No, this nigga is crazy, huh? So meaning, oh my god, we get a chance of theater, you know?
Exactly.
You know, see how beautiful you are. You know, if you come in big and nigga say, I give you one side. No, you know, he's losing it, huh?
Correct.
Yeah, now let's say I'm a most of a Minka sponsor.
Ako tala suwa ka na suwa ko na.
Yeah?
Ana ta suwa ko na fang ay kuru wala ka wana ka na ka kanta lamane ni. Nem fa man na ba. Kaya ko sa. Ay frustration sa ka mo bele kinga. Mo bele ka dia me pa lu pa kanan. Aka kumbali ulo bang ko fa ka kumbo. Kaya no way. Kaya nila fa. I'm fine. Kaya ko nila for friendship. We can be friends. I have no problem with that. Nila for like brothers and sisters. We can still go.
Hey, but like, let me make one thing clear. If he bothers you, let me know.
No,
I'll take care of it. I'll really take care of it.
Don't worry, don't interfere.
No, because don't go for my understanding, you know. I've been having a more for like, but you don't take it when I'm around you, no. Come back, I can't go food, so you know. But come back, no. But if not, that don't go into another mood. No, I will have shown him something.
No, you can't worry.
Wow. I even lose my appetite.
Ano pa ganito po ang lahat?
I lose my appetite all the
Sorry.